Alright then, so here it is, and it worked, and it is looking so damn gorgeous. Just take a look at it. And you see, I can actually change the accent color. Things are looking pretty okay-ish. Alright then, it is pretty good. Everything's working pretty fine. Yep. And I wanted to see something like when I'm running so many applications, it is just using this much RAM. Alright then, I'll be actually staying here in Linux quite for some long time, I'd say. Hey, does it actually gets a little laggy every once in a while? Yep, it does. Let me just try to add this in OBS. There I go. Add this. The quality is actually very bad. Hello? Wait, there's a bloody limit of 5 FPS here. You know what? My GNOME camera was actually way better. I just have to go there and enable my camera, that's it. Yep, that's it. And I can open multiple things here while my camera will be just somewhere. So let's say I open GNOME software. There it is. Now let's say I open something else. For example, not GNOME web, system monitor. Yep. And just take a look at this. It's actually amazing, isn't it? And I can actually do this. Nice. Alright then. So if I go there and then, okay, it looks good. Okay. Can I change these? No, it's just changing. I'll have to change the way I open my Windows. So now if I open camera, maybe it'll be open there. Yep. So it all depends on how you open your application. Now if I open GNOME software again, it'll be here. Wow. Now I'll just do that. Wait. Now it's okay. Now along with that, I saw something good as well. In appearances, I can enable battery percentage. So yep, it's actually wonderful. I can hide my media button, which is, I don't know where it is. I can hide. Alright, I'd like to hide this. You can see here, it's actually a clipboard. I can hide empty spaces, which I was. And now everything looks okay-ish. Now we have some scheme for color generation. For example, tonal spot. I don't know what the heck it is. We have a custom one. Wait, maybe I know what it is. Color picker, this one. Maybe I don't know. Well, I'll be learning this in some time. But I must say, this is literally my dream setup of having, well, what do you call it? A Linux-based system, but it will look gorgeous, just like this one. Like this was my dream setup. Alright then, so this is the color scheme. Vibrant, tonal spot. Well, does this actually affects every color or just the system? Well, do you know one thing? I've already seen this particular feature in actually Derpfest OS. Now, it's literally very hard to install, but still I remembered it, so I told you about it. I'm going to test something. So, go to YouTube subscriptions because now I'll be testing whether this vibrant stuff works on others as well. Nope, it only applies on this, what do you call it? The system only. So I'll be neutral, definitely not vibrant. How about rainbow? Definitely not vibrant. So it is actually the background. Wait, expressive is actually good. Yep, it is sort of actually good. No, maybe not. Let me just change the color picker to this. And maybe now, no, it will not. Yep, it is actually not good. So I'll just go to vibrant. Okay-ish, I'd say. Well, I'd leave it to vibrant, okay? Yep. Now we have themes as well. For example, the default Hyprland theme. An old workspace. Let's just try this one. Select. Alright, it actually looks pretty damn good with animations. Yep, it does. Hell yeah, it does. Now it is something. Alright then, it's actually amazing. And now it is not. But if I go there, then it actually becomes amazing. We have the default Hyprland theme as well, but I'd go with the old workspace. Now we can change the file managers, but I'll leave it just the way it is. Now with that being said, well, this was just a review video about my own Hyprland theme, let me just go there. I was literally so damn excited about this whole setup that it's literally 1 a.m. midnight. And here I am. finally completing my Hyprland setup, and it took literally a lot of time just to install. I cannot even imagine how much time it would take for developers to create such beautiful themes. Wait, what's this? Rival preference. I don't know what the heck it is. Alright, then I'm back. So, well, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Well, the setup, it was just an informative setup, and I'll meet you next video. Till then, I'm signing out.